In this video, I'll show you how to create Gmail filters automatically. Gmail filters are extremely useful for organizing your inbox, blocking spam, sorting emails into folders, applying labels, forwarding messages, and automating repetitive email management tasks. Once your filters are set up, Gmail can automatically handle incoming emails for you without needing manual work every time. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, look at the search bar near the top of the screen and click the small filter icon on the right side of the search box. This will open Gmail's advanced filter settings. Here, you can choose exactly which emails you want Gmail to automatically manage. For example, you can filter emails by sender address, subject line, keywords, attachments, size, or even specific phrases inside the message. Start by entering the criteria for the emails you want to filter. For example, if you want to automatically organize emails from a specific sender, type their email address into the From field. You can also combine multiple conditions to create more advanced filters. After setting your filter conditions, click Create Filter at the bottom of the pop-up window. Gmail will now show several automatic actions you can apply to matching emails. From here, you can choose options such as skip the inbox, apply a label, mark as read, star it, forward it, delete it, or never send it to spam. Select the actions you want Gmail to perform automatically whenever matching emails arrive in your inbox. For example, many people create filters to automatically move newsletters into a separate folder, archive receipts, label work emails, or delete spam messages instantly. This can make your inbox much cleaner and easier to manage over time. Once you've selected the actions you want, click Create Filter again to save everything. Gmail will immediately begin applying the filter to future emails that match your conditions. You may also see an option to apply the filter to existing emails already in your inbox. If you ever want to edit or remove filters later, go to Gmail Settings, open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and manage your filters from there. Gmail allows you to create multiple filters for different types of email automation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create Gmail filters automatically. Using filters is one of the best ways to organize your inbox, save time, reduce clutter, and automate repetitive email tasks inside Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.